Hello there. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we'll explore unique woodworking project ideas for home decor that can lead to high sales. Woodworking is an age-old craft that involves shaping and assembling wood to create both functional and artistic pieces. From beautifully crafted furniture to intricate carvings, this craft encompasses a diverse array of techniques and styles. Not only does woodworking provide practical items for everyday life, but it also serves as a powerful form of artistic expression. This blend of utility and creativity has made woodworking increasingly popular among hobbyists and professionals, fostering a vibrant community passionate about the art of working with wood. Engaging in woodworking not only fosters creativity, but also promotes mindfulness and focus. The process requires careful planning, attention to detail, and a deep understanding of materials, which can serve as a welcome respite from the fast-paced demands of modern life. As the demand for handmade, sustainable products grows, woodworking has gained renewed interest, positioning itself as a viable business opportunity. By embracing eco-friendly practices and emphasizing quality craftsmanship, woodworkers can create not just beautiful items, but also a meaningful connection to their community and environment. If you enjoyed this video and want to support our channel, don't forget to subscribe. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with our latest content and woodworking tips, ensuring you never miss an opportunity to enhance your skills. We also appreciate your likes and shares, as they help us reach a wider audience and inspire more people to explore the art of woodworking. Your engagement means a lot to us, and we love hearing your thoughts in the comments. So, stay tuned until the end of the video for some valuable insights and special announcements that you won't want to miss. Thank you for being part of our community. Woodworking is an ancient craft that involves shaping and assembling wood to create functional and artistic objects. From furniture to intricate carvings, woodworking encompasses a wide range of techniques and styles. This craft not only provides practical items for everyday use, but also serves as a form of artistic expression. As a result, woodworking has gained popularity among hobbyists and professionals alike, leading to a growing community dedicated to the art of working with wood. The joy of woodworking. Engaging in woodworking can be a deeply satisfying experience. It allows individuals to transform raw materials into beautiful, functional pieces. The process of selecting wood, designing projects, and crafting by hand fosters a sense of accomplishment and creativity. Moreover, woodworking can be meditative, providing an escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Many find joy in the tactile nature of working with wood, as each piece has its unique characteristics and personality. Tools of the trade. Woodworking requires a variety of tools, each serving a specific purpose. Essential hand tools include chisels, saws, and planes, while power tools such as routers, drills, and table saws enhance efficiency and precision. As technology advances, new tools continue to emerge, making woodworking more accessible and enjoyable. Understanding the proper use and maintenance of these tools is crucial for achieving high-quality results and ensuring safety in the workshop. Types of wood. The choice of wood is fundamental in woodworking. Different species offer unique colors, grain patterns, and hardness, impacting the final product's appearance and durability. Common hardwoods like oak, maple, and cherry are popular for furniture, while softwoods such as pine and cedar are often used for construction and decorative items. Understanding the properties of various woods helps craftsmen choose the right material for their projects. Woodworking techniques. Woodworking encompasses a variety of techniques, including joinery, carving, and finishing. Joinery refers to the methods used to connect pieces of wood, such as dovetail joints, mortise and tenon, and lap joints. Each technique has its advantages and specific applications, affecting the strength and aesthetic of the final piece. Mastery of these techniques is essential for any woodworker looking to create high-quality items. The woodworking business landscape. The woodworking business has evolved significantly, with many artisans turning their passion into profitable enterprises. From custom furniture makers to producers of wooden toys, the market offers a diverse range of opportunities. E-commerce platforms and social media have enabled woodworkers to reach wider audiences, showcasing their craftsmanship and unique designs. As the demand for handmade, sustainable products grows, woodworking businesses can thrive by emphasizing quality and authenticity. Setting up a woodworking shop. Establishing a woodworking shop requires careful planning and organization. A dedicated workspace equipped with the necessary tools and safety features is essential for productivity and creativity. Proper ventilation, adequate lighting, and storage solutions for tools and materials contribute to an efficient workspace. Additionally, considering the layout and workflow can enhance the overall woodworking experience. Marketing your woodworking business. Effective marketing strategies are crucial for attracting customers to a woodworking business. Building a strong brand identity, showcasing products through high-quality photography, and leveraging social media platforms can help reach potential buyers. Participating in craft fairs, local markets, and online marketplaces allows woodworkers to connect with their audience and gain valuable feedback. Engaging storytelling about the craftsmanship and materials used can also resonate with customers. Sustainability in woodworking. Sustainability is increasingly important in the woodworking industry. Many consumers prioritize eco-friendly practices and materials when making purchasing decisions. Sourcing wood from sustainably managed forests, using non-toxic finishes, and minimizing waste through efficient production methods contribute to a more sustainable business model. Woodworkers can differentiate themselves in the market by promoting their commitment to environmental responsibility. Woodworking and the environment. Woodworking has a unique relationship with the environment. While it provides renewable resources, improper practices can lead to deforestation and habitat destruction. Responsible sourcing and mindful production are essential for minimizing the ecological impact of woodworking. By supporting sustainable forestry practices and utilizing reclaimed materials, woodworkers can contribute to the preservation of natural resources. Caring for wood products. Proper care and maintenance of wooden items are vital for ensuring their longevity. Regular cleaning with a soft cloth, avoiding harsh chemicals, and using appropriate wood oils or waxes can help maintain the beauty and integrity of wooden surfaces. Educating customers on the best care practices can enhance their satisfaction and prolong the life of their purchases. Challenges in the woodworking business. Like any industry, woodworking presents its own set of challenges. Competition for mass-produced items can make it difficult for artisans to stand out. Additionally, fluctuations in the price and availability of quality materials can impact production costs. Navigating these challenges requires creativity, adaptability, and a strong understanding of the market. The importance of skill development. Continuous learning and skill development are essential for success in woodworking. Workshops, online courses, and mentorship programs can help woodworkers refine their techniques and stay updated on industry trends. Engaging with the woodworking community through forums and social media groups can also provide valuable insights and support. The role of technology. Advancements in technology have transformed woodworking practices. CNC machines, laser cutters, and 3D modeling software enable precise designs and efficient production. While traditional handcrafting skills remain invaluable, integrating technology can enhance creativity and expand capabilities. Balancing modern techniques with artisanal practices is key to thriving in the woodworking business. Building a community. Woodworking fosters a strong sense of community among enthusiasts and professionals. Local woodworking clubs, online forums, and social media groups provide platforms for sharing ideas, techniques, and support. Collaborating with other artisans and participating in community events can lead to valuable connections and opportunities for growth. The future of woodworking. The future of woodworking appears promising, with a growing appreciation for handmade, unique products. As consumers seek alternatives to mass-produced items, the demand for artisanal craftsmanship is likely to increase. Emphasizing sustainability and quality will be essential for woodworkers looking to thrive in a competitive market. Educational opportunities. Numerous educational resources exist for individuals interested in woodworking. From formal trade schools to online tutorials, aspiring woodworkers can find various paths to develop their skills. Offering classes or workshops can also be a profitable venture for experienced woodworkers, allowing them to share their knowledge and passion with others. Woodworking is therapy. Engaging in woodworking can provide therapeutic benefits. The focus required during the crafting process allows individuals to disconnect from stressors and immerse themselves in creativity. Many people find solace in the rhythmic nature of woodworking, which can improve mental well-being and foster a sense of accomplishment. Celebrating woodworking culture. Woodworking has a rich cultural history with diverse styles and techniques found worldwide. Celebrating this heritage can enrich the craft, inspiring new generations of woodworkers. Participating in cultural events, exhibitions, and competitions can help promote the art of woodworking and honor its traditions. Woodworking is more than just a craft. It is a blend of artistry, tradition, and innovation. Whether as a hobby or a business, woodworking offers endless possibilities for creativity and profit. By embracing sustainable practices, continuously developing skills, and fostering community connections, woodworkers can thrive in both their craft and business endeavors. Thank you for watching the video. We truly appreciate your time and interest in our content. Your support means a lot to us, and we hope you found the insights and techniques shared here helpful and inspiring for your woodworking journey. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. We love hearing from you. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more tips, projects, and creative ideas. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.